little hard to see, but that light is on green, and it should be red until you put the right code, but it's not behaving right, so I'm gonna just unlock this thing, and that's a bad sign. Looks like the ants have made a pathway up, and they have sacrificed themselves on those two jumpers, making their way into this keypad. So yeah, we got to mount at the base of this thing too. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this, try to clean it up, see if I can salvage it. Hopefully this thing isn't fried. All right, see if we can get this thing cleaned up and save it. All right, so I got these 4 screws out here, and now I'm just gonna remove the board. It's just plugged into that keypad part with those little pins there into there. And what it looks like to me is all these ants in here that are just dead. They got fried, and they're causing this thing to short, and it's staying in the activate position versus toggling. So it's not toggling anymore. So maybe it's as simple as just got to clean this board out here and see where it was trying to short out. So I'm going to use a little bit of this contact cleaner for electrical contacts. Looks like we got some more ant parts coming out of there. I don't know, I think the ants might have won this one. This board's looking rough. Okay, let's put 12 volts on this thing and see what our LEDs do. What we should find is that should light up red. And that's what we're hoping for, that this will light up red. All right, so I got some battery here. Now attach the power. Okay. Nope. Still got a problem. Still got green. That should be red. Somewhere else on this board there's damage. Well, so I wasn't able to salvage this. This is going to have to hit the scrap yard and be replaced. So I went ahead and ordered a new one, and it just came in. We'll go ahead and get this mounted up and get that gate working again. I guess lesson learned is take care of your pedestal arm. Make sure there's not ants living at the base of it. Seal your keypad everywhere you can. I'm going to seal this new one around this edge here so that when the board goes on the back, it's going to be sealed up around the edges. I'm also going to put a bunch of silicone in the middle here and cover these holes up best I can. And I'm going to seal the post to the pedestal so that at the base of the pedestal, the ants won't be traveling up and in along that wire. They apparently want the heat that's in this little bit of electronics. That's what's attracting them. So, hey, I hope this video, if anything, showed you that these things can be taken apart and can be cleaned up, but they don't always get fixed. Hey, I hope this video is helpful. And as always, hope you have a great day.